All right, what you got here is another Halsey Builder fan. This is located in my friend's room. Yeah, let's turn on the light. So you see that works just fine. And I don't know why it has a Harbor Reese pull on it, but you get the point. It's a nice looking fan, but it's not my favorite. Low. And this one does have some bent blades too as well, but eventually I might fix it up and tighten up the blades like I did with the one in the living room. And that's low, as you can see. That is, the blades are all clock, and I don't know what's with the mounting up there is kind of questionable, because I see the bracket kind of not really onto the box or something. So that's kind of really questionable to me, in my opinion. Medium. This fan hasn't been really ran very much either, so I really can't really say too much. But it is moving some decent breeze too as well. The one in my room has a different light. Actually, it has a spotlight kit. It is kicking out a pretty decent breeze. High speed. Sounds like the blades are a little loose, and it does wobble too, because some of the blades are bent. You can see it wobbles a little bit. Air movement is phenomenal for what it is. I'm not, and it does wobble, as I talked about. It is a decent fan, but I'm gonna turn it off. So yeah, that's it.